Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to resize an image on your iPhone. So let me directly get into the step. So the first one, I'm going to show you, I have taken one of the photo over here right now. And this is an image and I'm going to show you how to resize it. And before that, why the resizing is important. So over here, if I go over here, as you can see, the file size of this particular image is around 12 MB. So which is very huge. So whenever you capture something, this is going to use a lot of your spaces, which means the MB, which means it is going to use up a lot of your storages. So I'm going to show you how you can completely resize it. So all we have to do is in order to resize this, all you have to do is we just need to take a screenshot of this image. So if you want to take the screenshot, we have to press this particular button. And over here, we have the power icon together. We have to press it. So let me take the screenshot like this. And now, as you can see, I have taken the screenshot and I'm going to select this. So this is the image which I took the screenshot. Now we need to resize it. In the sense, we need to align it. So let me go over here and I'm going to do like this. Over here also, I'm going to go over here like this. And once everything has been set as per your need, we just need to go over here, tap on that. And you have to go for save to photos. And right now the image is being saved. And right now this is the image which I took the screenshot. And this is the original image. Now, after the screenshot is done, and once it is saved, you have to go over here on this particular icon, over here on eye icon. And right now you can see this particular image comes around 1 MB because previously it was around 12 MB, which is going to save a lot of your storages. And one thing that I wanted to make you notice, whenever you're trying to take a screenshot, it might affect your clarity. So you have to keep in mind that. So you might be losing a little bit of quality of the images, but even though it can reduce the size of the image. That's what it's all about it. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.